Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really good example of some opportunity here in Detroit. This home was bought with the Detroit Land Bank Authority. So this is a really cool program we have in the city that basically is a public entity that manages and sells vacant tax foreclosed properties in Detroit, aiming to return the properties to the people with inhabiting. And you see in this example here this very nice renovation. Believe it or not, this home was bought for only $1,500. I'm sure it was in really bad shape back then, but as you can see, it looks really nice now. It is on the market for $250. This is early 1900s Victorian, 4 beds, 2 baths, 1,600 square feet. So Detroit Land Bank Authority is the city's largest landowner. It's handling abandoned houses, lots as mentioned, and it works with individual buyers, developers, community partners, and they're reducing the blights, the tickets, and increasing home ownership. It's actually really easy to apply online. It's a cool program to check out. And this house in particular I like because they weren't stingy with it, but they also didn't go overboard. So I think they did a good job to make a nice habitable home, as you can see. And it's a good opportunity for those looking to invest, or even if you want to essentially renovate your own home, you can probably do it through this program. Just have to apply. If you have more questions about this, feel free to reach out. You can call, text, send a message, send an email, whatever you'd like to do there. Now don't mind some of the clutter, they are moving here, but as you can see, all the utilities, the roof, the windows, everything on the inside, all the cosmetics of course was all redone. You saw the plumbing there moments ago. Really nice looking place, did a good job here. Thanks so much for tuning in, we'll see you on the next one.